So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your arm right here. You're gonna drop it down like that. I'm gonna pull it right here and I'm gonna pull back, okay? Just relax for me right here, nice and easy.
Never tell a woman to relax. Oh!
How'd that feel?
I mean, yeah,
Okay, it's a little different, it's a little weird.
Yeah, I've never felt that kind
right?
of crap before.
How's that feel motion-wise?
I'm a new person.
A new person? You don't have to, don't sell it too crazy, you know? But, all right, relax here. I know this side isn't as tender, but just relax, right? Good. See? All right, just a little bit in that side. All right, that popping that you hear is called a cavitation. It's a gas release into the joint. So we're just going to do a little simple leg check, checking to see how everything is moving, okay? You're going to breathe in deep, you're going to let it out. We're going to push in here and you'll feel it pop again like the shoulder did. Again, that's called a cavitation. It's a gas release in the joint. Breathe in and all the way out. You okay?
Yeah.
Good, good. All right, breathe in again and all the way out. Relax, breathe out. And kind of follow you in, just kind of a little, right? Good. You're tensing up a little bit. A little nervous or what?
No, I just told you I tense when I'm expecting it.
Okay, all right, so you want me to do it when you're not expecting it, is what you're
Exactly.
saying. Okay, all right, I can do that.
The best kind of prize is a surprise.
Okay. All right, relax for me. You're fine. No, don't worry about breathing. I'm gonna follow you breathing. Good. You okay? Good. Drop piece. This is gonna come out, and then we're gonna drop down.
Okay.
Okay? All right. It sounds worse than it is, okay? I haven't even done anything with getting it. Right like that. Okay. Good. You okay? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring your legs right here. I'm gonna put a little impulse there, okay? I'm just gonna bring the shoulder through. You're nice and relaxed, nice and easy. How'd that feel?
It felt good.
Good. Relax, ready? Yeah.
I don't know why it makes me laugh so much.
That's okay. That's okay. Honestly, for a first-time response, that's fairly normal.
That one felt weird.
Yeah? Okay. All right. Breathe in and out. Good. You okay? All right. You can tell me the truth. Like,
No, it's I told you, I literally like,
You told
even
me you were
getting
gonna make
massage, I
noises.
make noises, and it's like, I worry that my massage therapist thinks I'm some kind of freak or something.
Just relax right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring your head here, and we're gonna put a little impulse there. Okay?
Okay.
Just relax right there, nice and easy. So that one will be the loudest because it's closest to the ears.
Oh my
The
god!
sound travels better through a solid than it does through air.
Yeah!
How'd that feel?
Oh my goodness! Oh, that's,
Did it hurt?
it was like better than sex.
Literally not the first time I've heard that.
It's,
Yeah, it's
Ooh.
nice, right?
yeah.
Just relax. Come in close.
Okay, now you tell me to relax. I'm
No,
all getting
right?
tucked
You're
up and
fine.
everything.
You're fine. Look at your toes for me.
I hope it's up to work we go. Hey, what's up?
But bring it right in here. And you CrossFit and everything, right?
I do.
Good. Just relax right here, nice and easy. Good. One more time, right? Good. How's...
Goes okay.
Okay. Good. I was going to ask how's work, and then I realized I probably shouldn't ask that. On video, you know. But, all right, let me have your leg next time.
Work is good.
Work is the best it's ever been. Right? Yeah. So.
Dream job.
Yeah. All right. So cross your arms for me. Take a deep breath in and all the way out. Good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good? Okay. You don't have to tell me, just tell me how.
No, sometimes it's like hard to catch my breath again, so I'm like,
That one does kind of knock it out of you just a little
bit.
bit.
I've been trying to hold my neck up more and not just forward. and trying to shrug my shoulders and look around.
How's that going?
I do it sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. That's what we all do. We all start off with the best intentions, and then by the end of the day, we're
Yeah, pretty much.
right. So just relax right here, nice and easy. Good. One more time.
That felt good.
Good. Relax right. And we're gonna just kind of traction you out a little. Good. Good. Roll to the other side for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust your shoulder first, okay? You might want to come this way so you can catch a closer look and all that fun stuff. We're going to bring this arm in here, okay? Keep it in close. Doesn't hurt like that, right?
No.
I'm going to pull back like that, okay?
All right.
But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my nice wingspan, reach around, and kind of pull back and just relax, right? Good.
New.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, relax it, relax it. A lot higher.
All right, that's where I'm feeling tension way back there.
Mm-hmm. But also getting more range of motion out of it before you ever catch
Yes.
it. Right?
Yes.
Good. Good. We're getting there. Not done yet. I'm going to do one more move. How painful was that when I did it?
3.
A 3? Okay. All right. You just made a
This
little
actually,
reaction.
this actually hurts worse right now.
Right, so
Positioning.
I'm not going to do a whole lot here. I'm just keeping it loose. Okay. So again, just kind of double checking after it. A lot more range of motion. A lot less pain. Okay. You're going to take a deep breath in for me and all the way out. I'm going to push in here. You feel it pop. That pop is called a cavitation. It's a gas release in the joint. How'd that feel? Weird, different, painful, good?
Oh.
All? Okay. All is an acceptable answer.
I'm taller.
You think you're taller. You are. All those years of being a cook and bending over at the mid-back, poor posture and such, you start to kind of bend your spine and lose a little bit of that height. And then all of a sudden you stand up and people all the time tell me, I feel taller after an adjustment. And you are a little bit because you're all of a sudden standing up straight. Breathe in again. This one won't be as tender as that one was. All the way out. Good. How was that?
I was okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it right there. We're going to put your hip right here nice and easy.
Oh.
Good. You okay?
Jeez.
That's the good stuff right there.
Good.
I knew this wasn't necessarily going to be comfortable. It's been 30 years, I think, since I've had a back adjustment.
Well, and I would jokingly say it's like taking a splinter out. Sometimes when you take the pressure off the nerve or you line things back up, it hurts a little bit when you do it, but then it feels better. It's like, oh, I got that thing out now. Relax right there, nice and easy.
Oh, that's the good stuff. I can already tell that it's doing much, much better because I can lay my arm down like this and it's not hurting.
Okay. All right, we're just going to take a little impulse here. You're going to just relax nice and easy. Okay.
Oh, that was different.
Okay.
I've never had that done before.
No? You know that other chiropractors never adjusted your neck like that?
Oh, or my soul.
Or your soul? Okay. All right. Did it hurt?
It just feels weird.
It does feel weird. I'm not going to deny that. There's a new sensation. You want me to do the other side or you want me to leave it alone?
Oh, go for it.
Okay. All right. Just relax right there. Nice and easy. Good.
Nice.
Couldn't do that before, right?
No, I couldn't touch both hands behind my back before.
Mm-mm. Okay. All right. Stand up, tell me how the back and everything else feels too.
Oh, my feet feel different. Seriously, my feet feel different.
Because you can feel them better, probably.
They don't hurt.
Well, good.
This is the first time I've been barefoot on the floor in how long, honey?
Quite a while. Never does it.
And this doesn't hurt.
Yeah. Good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust your mid back. You'll lie on both sides. We'll adjust your low back. And then I'll lay on your back and we'll adjust the neck. Okay? Take a deep breath in and all the way out. Relax right there. Nice and easy. Good. relax. There it goes. Good. How'd that feel? Good. Good. That's all you need. All right, breathe in. All the way out. Relax, relax. Good. That first one I had to do twice because it was a little stiffer than I was expecting, but that's the way I always like to do is I would rather start off lighter and if I need to go a little harder, go a little harder or whatnot. It's the opposite of cutting hair. I can always put more on. I can't take more off. Yeah, it's just relax right here, nice and easy. Good. Relax, ready? Good. And line on your side, face at me.
I'll crack my mask off.
Oh, sorry.
I think I was more crackly than you.
You were more crackly?
I think so.
Probably. You also hear it a lot better in yourself because sound travels through solid better than it does through the air.
That's true.
But just relax, right? Good. We'll tie like that. How's that feeling?
Great.
Good. Nice and easy. Alrighty, right? Good. One more time right here, nice and easy. Good. And line your back for me.
How do you feel, dear?
Floating around and stuff.
Little birds floating around. I'm not sure that's a good thing. I thought that was like a Looney Tunes thing. It's a good thing right now. Okay. But the crack is just gas releasing the joint. It is Boyle's law that sound and pressure are inverses. And so when you release the pressure, it makes a noise. And so people that crack themselves, sometimes you'll hear a lot, but most of the time you don't, because you have joints that are hypermobile and joints that are hypomobile. And when I go in and adjust, I adjust the ones that are hypomobile, the ones that aren't moving as much. And when you just do this gross range of motion stuff where you're twisting on a chair, you're clicking and popping, that usually gets the ones that are already moving too much. And sometimes can perpetuate the problem a little bit worse. So just relax right here, nice and easy. Good. I know you felt that. Yeah. And I know you heard that one. Just relax, right?
That was my knee.
It's the knee and then the neck, right? Yeah. One more time. Good.
That did not sound good.
It did. Some just fell.
This is going to be the funniest video.
Come on up. All right, stand up, move around. Tell me how.
How you feel?
Melissa dropping stuff out front.
Oh man, my head is warm.
I know.
I feel so much better.
Good.
I can see better.
Good. Excellent. I'm glad to hear that.